Hey ladies, it's the Lock Twins here in Atlanta, Georgia, coming back to y'all with a large knotless braid video. Girl, look at them red tips. Yes, our client loved her hair. We absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. But we are back with another one. We jumping right into the pre-parting. Y'all know how we get down. I'm starting out in the back. Now, what I realized is, first of all, ignore my hair, girl. It was a mess. Ignore it completely. But we are not here for me. We are here for the beautiful client in the chair, honey. Thank you. But her hair was super soft. So her worry was that the braids probably wouldn't hold. But we knew she was going to be fine because we have our nice control paste that is going to be launching soon. I know we keep bragging, but it is coming. So I'm just taking my time, parting through, making sure that I get those parts as even as possible and also as straight as possible. As a stylist, this is our time where we take our time. Do not be in a rush. I know the pre-parting section portion of the hairstyle is the longest part, but take your time because you want to be proud of your work. You want the pictures to look very, very clean, and you want to be able to have clients that are very proud and also returning clients, not just those one-time visitors. So I'm taking my time, just making sure I use my rat tail comb and my product to get that line as even as possible. Now, she kept reminding us that her hair was really soft, so that was her worry, but these braids ended up turning out flawlessly, and they do hold. So don't be afraid that if your hair is baby soft that the knotless braids won't hold, because they definitely will. Now, I jumped to a clip where the braids in the back, the two back were already done because we have like 3 large knotless braids videos on our page already. But I wanted you to see just how well we were talking about those braids holding. They were so clean, so nice. And of course, you all know that the foundation of the braid is everything. So when you start out with a good grip and making sure that you get that product on their ends of their hair, everything else is just going to fall in line nicely. We're sectioning out that next portion, and this is where you'll be able to get that 1, 2, you know, all know how we like to do. I like the videos to be very simple and beginner friendly. So I'm just going to let you all see us pre-part this next section, and then we'll jump in when we're starting our braids together. Honey, look at those sections, those evenly parted sectioned out sections. So we tag teamed her hair. We were under like a time crunch, but it was perfectly fine. It wasn't even bad at all. But it was very nice. Like I said, the foundation of the braid is going to be everything. So just making sure that we jump on in with those pieces of black. We actually didn't have to do the pieces of black at the top and then add in the ombre because this hair was already ombre with black at the root and red at the tips. So it was perfect. She wanted her color to show a lot more and a lot higher than our other clients. So it was really, 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 really nice. So you can keep an eye on either Tyler or I just to get the gist of it. But we're just adding those pieces once, and then you're going to braid 1, 2, add in the piece, braid 1, 2. You're focusing on the thickness, and then you're going to focus on the length of it all. All right, so I'm just parting out this next section, making sure I part her hair evenly in 3 sections, and I'm going to use that to start the braid. She was a little tired by this time, which is why I was making sure to hold her head, but it was perfectly fine. A sleeping client is never a problem for us. So I get ready to grip her hair very nicely. I braid once, braid twice, making sure I have a grip on her hair and everything is flattened out and very clean with my product. And I'm going to get ready to add my first piece of hair. Insert once, braid once, braid twice, insert the second piece, braid once, braid twice. I was trying this new technique where you flip it over your hand and then feed it in. It was a little complicated, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, so I might not do that again, but I just was trying to see if it'll change up anything. And honestly, it was the same braid. It wasn't any difference to me. Braid, sending in that third piece, braid once, making sure I have a grip, braid twice, and then swoop that little braid, that hair in. Look at how clean those braids are. I was just trying to make sure I had a grip on everything. I wanted to see how many pieces Tyler was going to add over there. But she told me it didn't matter. It was fine as long as they were even. I'm adding that next piece. Stickers. I have stickers in my car. I can go print these. Okay. Braid once, braid twice, and I'm going to swing that other piece of hair in. Now, can you see, I was having the hardest time trying to figure out how to get it braided down. It was new. I don't know, y'all. I was trying something because I seen Beauty Can Braid do it. But the swinging the piece over the hair was actually a little harder than what I thought it was going to be. But honestly, the braids turned out the same. So that's why I'm saying do whatever works for you. I was just trying this new technique because this was like my 3rd time doing large knotless. But honey, I may just stick to the regular way and stop trying to get fancy. See, I went right back to my style. I knew it. I'm just going to add it in, then braid once, braid twice. If you all have any tips for swinging that hair around that added in through the pinky and then swing it around, you all leave them in the comments below. I was having a very tough time with that. And I wanted to know if my sister was doing it as well, but she just kept her normal routine. She wasn't switching it up. So you all give me some tips, help me out. I was having a tough time with that. What is something that I could do to help with that little trick? Because I like how it looks. I just don't know what I'm doing with it. We're just keeping everything clean, adding some product onto her hair. Wow, I cannot get over how flawless her braids look. Not patting myself on the back, but honey, adding in the next piece of ombre hair, braid once, braid twice. Now, girl, quit playing. You see them parts. You see it. You see me. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But they look so good. So I'm just giving y'all a nice little close-up on them parts. Because it's giving Scalpiana. It's giving very much Braidiana. Come get locked by the Lock Twins and freaking Georgia. But yes, so this is the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I was just showing y'all that the girl had a grip on that roots. The foundation is everything. The feed-in is everything. Make sure your feed-ins are seamless. But I'm done talking. I'm just going to let some of the clips play out so that you all are able to watch the rest. Single and you ready, girl, what's happening? I let you leave me once before and I can't pass again. No, I can't play around with you, I'm on your ass again.